technologies are changing the world around us. What seemed like yesterday's science fiction is today's reality. The fourth industrial revolution is upon us, and together with Omron, Tyson has taken the leap and become pioneers in this new digital world. As Singapore's biggest cable company and one of Southeast Asia's leading industrial groups, they are stepping into a stronger future as they implement 4.0 technologies and work towards being a smart enterprise. Across the three factories, Tyson is working with the Omron Group to digitize their systems and to ensure their growth and sustainability in the future. As a company in the market for 40 years, focused and dedicated to safety and efficiency, Tyson saw the need to move away from their older systems of operations into a digital world that ensured seamless data flows across production systems. Instead of simply manually collecting data, they can now allow the data to work for them, helping to eliminate inefficiencies, to make bold strategic decisions, and reinvent their business models, helping them to maintain their competitive edge amid global competition. Let us hear what is Tyson's take on their journey on smart manufacturing.
以前用来写哦，可能会比较慢哦，因为你要一直对着那个单啊，这样一个程序一直对着起来，因为我们的步骤很多嘛，从开始到 final 啊，如果是现在用这些哦，可能会比较缩短，也很透明化咯。要找什么哪里出差错，就马上能够找得到。
比以前来讲哦，现在进步很多。以前是我们要用那个黄单来记录。 很多麻烦看不清楚，现在我们用那个 CMMS 哦，全部都清清楚楚列出来，是进步很多，这种是帮助到我们不用这样多麻烦，也不需要用到这样多的纸张，一天不是一张半张，一天是几千张、整百张、几千张了，这是相当大的数据了。
现在数码化，政府也在推行。 然后同业也在竞争，也在推行。台新当然也不想落人后，所以我们从2016年就开始了，一推行这个工业4.0，我们就有请这个麦肯锡公司来帮我们做指导，然后我们在系统上，我们也去 upgrade 我们的系统，让它更容易操作，然后看起来更容易了解，然后我们的团队。 所有的生产人员，他们也可以从日常已经熟悉的这些操作系统，直接的把他的工作就直接透过keyboard 直接就把它输入到这个系统里面去，所以变成管理者要看这些系统，随时可以看到他们机器有没有在操作，他们做的成果，第二天早上马上就可以看到整天的操作的这个状况。 所以管理的效率上非常快，而且操作人员他们也都知道他们今天的表现有多好，或者是他们的这个工作成果他们马上都会知道。所以这是系统带给我们的好处。
With digitalization, we can access information easily to make important decisions. We managed to streamline all the processes. After using this digitization for 7 months, we have improved OE by 5%.
从2016年到现在，几乎大部分的都已经非常完备了。当然，我们还有改善的空间这个部分我们还会继续努力。
The Omron Automation Center in Singapore offers a glimpse into the future of manufacturing that is dedicated to exploring the use of advanced artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and robotics technologies for manufacturing applications.
For us as SME manufacturing in Singapore, digitalization is very important and it's crucial for us to sustain our business. We feel that in order for us to know more about our business, know more about our factory, we need to have a top view for our decision makers in the factory. As such, we have actually engaged Omron as our automation partner, and we have successfully implemented our first phase of the Industry 4.0 journey. And I hope that going forward, we'll be able to do more to maintain our position in Singapore as a sustainable manufacturer.
The fourth industrial revolution is on track to transform Singapore's manufacturing industry and opening new opportunities for growth and innovation. With the support from Omron, Tyson now has the necessary tools to be the pioneers of this great leap forward.